The week of Thanksgiving brings lots of traffic through the grocery stores as people seek out the best turkey and ingredients for side dishes that have been passed down in their families for generations. Local shops like Lloyd's Market in Lewis are fully stocked with fresh and frozen turkeys, ready to provide for their customers until it's time to set the table.
Right now, everybody's kind of gearing up. Monday and Tuesday we'll be in like our full swing, and a lot of people come in for their turkeys kind of early. We probably order about 300 turkeys.
Owner of Lloyd's, Lenny Pollitt, feels confident they won't sell out. They're even prepared to cater to last-minute shoppers and cook turkeys for customers on Thanksgiving. He does have advice on other items to plan ahead for.
Fresh pies, of course, is also one of the things that you definitely got to try to plan ahead on, because they're kind of limited.
Those preparing Thanksgiving dinner have their shopping lists ready, and at the top is
turkey. The turkey would be the first thing, and then fill in all the rest.
But as far as the cooking order goes,
need to make some pies, so pies might have to be first.
For families who don't have the time or money to spend, Epworth United Methodist Church is offering a free Thanksgiving dinner, and it takes about a week to prepare.
We will be preparing from now until Thanksgiving morning to prepare 700 meals that we will either serve here or we will deliver to people who can't get here.
Monday, we'll start boiling some of the turkeys. We have peeling potatoes for 2 days.
We have 66 turkeys, and we have rescued about 1,000 pounds of food that we will use, which will make up the entire meal.
There's a spot at the table for everyone. Epworth is welcoming all members of the community, regardless of their religion. In Rehoboth Beach, I'm Mallory Metzner for WRDE, Delmarva's own NBC station.